Amidst the huge range of power tools available today, it seems there still isn't a tool on the market designed to maintain an edge on the blade of a hand plane or chisel. And rule number one is service the blade a lot more frequently than you think, maybe every half hour or so on a job depending on the toughness of the wood. Well, I've been using a disc sander in preference to a grinder and oil stone for many decades, and getting the right angle becomes intuitive after a while, and the technique is to lock your wrists. Now the secret also is to be very, very gentle with the blade, keeping sparks away from you and taking great care when backing off, as though you're landing an aircraft. I use a fine grit. Okay, so it wears down, but it works. And oh yes, do not link it to a dust extractor with all those sparks flying. Now I had to search online for quite a while to find a tiny disc sander like this that takes up little space on my workshop bench. And the beauty of this tool is that it can be turned on its end and used like a conventional surface grinder, and it has variable speed. But it does two jobs at once and in a fraction of the time: the grinding angle and the sharpening angle. And here is a little tip: make the angles slightly shallower than conventional practice. Now okay, you can see I own some pretty old, battle-worn and low-cost tools, but don't be fooled that they cannot achieve high-quality results where precision workmanship is demanded. Thanks for watching.